everybody, Metro here. Come with us on a tour of Metro's old farm. You're going to see some of my machinery and where it all started. So, sit back, relax, put your feet up and enjoy yourself. So let's get started. My favorite is right here. It was the chicken coop to keep the ducks in. And sometimes on the farm you have to do your own repairs. You have to know what parts to use, where they go, and sometimes, on occasion, when you're working on things, you end up with extra, like this here fancy belt I got. But then, who needs that? So I got my real fancy small wrench set, and I'm trying to fix this here. Nellie's a good truck. Look, ma, no hands. Oops, just about hit the ditch there. Straighten out, Metro.
It's the Jake Cluck Show, with the Jake Cluck Singers and Orchestra. And here's your host, Jake Cluck!
Hi folks, welcome to the Jake Cluck Show on Cable 33 in Garla Gulch. We've got a real exciting show for you today, so sit back, relax, have a good time, and could you please welcome my guest and my personal friend, Metro, to the show. Oh, and thanks for inviting me. Metro, you're a world traveler. Tell me today, what do you think of red china? Oh, red china. On a white tablecloth, it would look really good. Metro, I heard that you finished school in 2 terms. Is that right? Yeah, I did. I finished in Diefenbaker and Trudeau's. Put her there, Metro. You've been a really good guest, and thanks for watching, folks. Folks, we had a great time, and we hope you did too. We toured the farm, did the Jake TV show, and we had some really, really wonderful music. So if you get the chance, come and visit us again. And thanks. Hope you enjoyed it. Дай Боже.